It was a beautiful night in our fantastical forest. I was walking home from a friend's house and suddenly noticed a peculiar glow in the valley ahead. I went to investigate and discovered a landscape of thousands of mushrooms glowing like tiny lanterns. The forest festival isn't until next month when the mushrooms always come aglow. They could run out of their magical glow before the festival. This can't be good. Why are they glowing already? I need to talk to Hooty. He is a wise owl who knows everything there is to know about the forest festival and the tradition of the glowing mushrooms. Hooty observed that the mushrooms must be confused to be glowing this early, and if we don't solve the mystery, they'll be out of glow by the time of the festival. Every cat detective knows when it's time to claw through the clues. As I made my way back to the sea of glowing mushrooms, I tripped and fell over a massive rock. I looked back to realize it was totally covered in moss, and that's why I hadn't seen it. Underneath the moss, I was shocked to find the mythical forest calendar, a stone that marks the passage of seasons. I shouted, "Everyone, hurry! We have to get this moss cleared away so the mushrooms know when to glow." The forest animals rushed over and together, we cleared the stone. As soon as the moss was cleared, the glowing mushrooms slowly started to dim, preserving their light for the festival. Pause on the case, where every clue purrs a solution.